Coliseum at syempre tuloy pa rin po ang Star Circle Teen Quest Grand Questers Night.
Next in line ang Teen Quest na isang kaway lang, maging trademark wave niya. Napapatili ng kanyang milyong fans. The Korean wonder na minahal agad ng Pilipinas. Siya na kaya ang Grand Teen Quester?
Ano sa tingin nyo? Siya na ba ang Grand Teen Quester? Well, eto na siya ang nag-iisang
With a solid goal,
Sendero!
Dadalhin hanggang langit ay manibago. Hello, mahal ko kayo. At gusto kong makakasongbird para sa inyo. Songbird? Mas gusto kong maging ang bango-bangong hot take, no? Mas feel ko naman na busugin ko kayo sa spaghetti ko. Ow! I will perform for you tonight. Arirang, arirang, arariyo. Arirang kugero na maganda. Huwag na kayong magtalo-talo. Ako, pagsasabay-sabayin ko yan. Tingnan nyo. When you love someone so deeply, the light is easy to succumb to overwhelming fears inside. Blindly I am flashing that I could keep you under glass. Now I understand to hold you. I must open up my hands and watch you run with you have become a butterfly. Oh, fly abandon me into the sun. If you should return to me, we truly were meant to be. So spread your wings and fly, butterfly. Spread your wings and prepare to fly. Prepare to fly. Butterfly. Into the sun. If you should return to me, we truly were meant to be. So
Sandara, congratulations. Sandy, we know that this is a dream come true for you to be here in Araneta, to be amongst your fans. I have to say, you're most beautiful when you smile and when you're enjoying what you're doing. And this is my prediction. I'm sure you'll have an album and it will be a platinum in no time. And I'm sure pag nag-concert ka, daig mo ang mga recording artists, mapupuno ang Araneta! Congratulations, Sandy.
Congratulations, Sandara, the new concert queen! Hindi ba sinabi mo sa amin, kahit anong mangyari, basta may 4 minutes ka dito sa Araneta Coliseum, yun ang pinaka-dream mo. Now you have it. Congratulations again.
Sandy, alam ko mahirap ang ating pinagdaan ng dalawa. Pero sasabihin ko ngayong gabi sa'yo, mahal din kita.
Good luck.
Last quester on the list.